take is actually something brand new. I just got it today. It's the Glow Recipe Serum Shot. This one is the Beet and Vitamin A one. This one is actually supposed to help smooth out the face and it helps fight signs of aging, so we need that. I'm gonna take a couple of drops. I don't know how much I'm supposed to take. I'm just gonna take 2 tiny ones. I'll apply it all over. It says it can be used AM and PM, so it feels good. I think I'm actually gonna skip a primer today. I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Booster Hydra Plump Serum. Think about maybe just, okay, I got some. So like 2 pumps. And I'm just gonna apply that all over. For foundation, I'm gonna take the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. I actually dropped mine and the outer packaging came off, so that's that. Not even sure what color this is because it was on the other side of the packaging, so that's just great. And I'm using a Sigma flat angled F88 kabuki brush to do it. And me and my forehead still aren't getting along, so we're just gonna try to cover that up as much as possible. Taking Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand, I'm just gonna go around the perimeter of my face, kind of warm it up a little bit. I already added some right here because I was checking the color. I'm just gonna blend that out with my foundation brush, since it still has a little bit of the foundation left over. It's gonna help it blend a lot more nicely. Then I'm going to take the lighter one and I'm going to use it to conceal. And then Sigma sent me these 2 new brushes. They have 2 new brushes, the P87 and the 40 HD Precision brushes. They look like this. They look pretty cool, but then I realized they said they're new and they're available on January 29th, but I already had the P87 one. I've had it for a while, so I don't know why they're saying it's new. I'm not sure why, but I've had this one for a while and it looks cool, but it looks cool to kind of like clean up your eye makeup because it has like this little flat tip. But I remember I didn't like it for my full under eyes. I really like the F69 brush. And plus it's just faster with the Beauty Blender anyways. But I swear I'm like the only person that doesn't use the Beauty Blender for my foundation. I just can't. I can't do it. I feel like it goes on really nice, but I feel like it just takes so much longer than a brush. This isn't even a Beauty Blender. It's from Sigma, which I really love. I like the Beauty Blenders too, but I'm so used to these curved edges now. And I'm just gonna set my under eyes. The eyeshadow that I'm going to be using is the new Smashbox LA Girl Cover Shot palette, and then I'm going to take the first color is Nectar. I'm going to take that and kind of just use it as a base. I'm going to put it all over my eyelid, and this is just going to help the colors that I'm going to put on top of that just go on a little bit more smoothly. And then the next color that I'm going to use, I believe, is called Three's Valet. I think it's called. I think that's the one. It's basically like my usual transition shade. I'm going to apply that with a Sigma E38 blending brush, and I'm just going to apply it just above my crease in circular motions, just kind of blending that out. And she kind of had it go out a little bit further on the outer corner, so I'm kind of winging that out. And then the next color I'm using is Almond. This looked very similar to what she had on her eyelid, so I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid and then blending that upward with a Sigma E25 blending brush. And then the next color that I'm taking is the color Java, which is a darker matte brown. And again, I'm assuming here, I'm not sure she had it all the way in the inner corner or just sort of like going on her eyelid. I'm not sure, but I'm assuming she had it going into her eyelid to the outer corner of the eyelid and then going up into the crease. So that's just exactly what I did. And then I'm taking a Makeup Forever brown eyeliner pencil because she kind of usually has like the kind of smoked out liner look. So it looked like she had it here, so I'm taking that and I'm applying it closest to my lash line, and then I'm going to take a pencil brush and just blend that out so there's no harsh edges. And then on her lower lash line, she really didn't look like she had too much, so I just used a little bit of the color Almond and ran that under my lower lash line. And then I'm taking the color Venice Peach and then Deco, and I'm using that as the inner corner highlight because she didn't have it too bright, but she did have something. And then I'm taking this Dose of Colors new eyeliner pencil, and I don't remember the name of this one, but it's a really unique color. I can't even describe it, but I will have it listed in the description box. It almost looks like it would be a lip liner, but she really didn't look like she had a lot in her waterline, if anything at all. And then I took this concealer brush from Sigma and cleaned up my under eye because she did have it really sharp. I'm going off of this picture right here. I don't have her with her eyes closed, so this is just what I'm assuming it looks like if she had her eyes closed. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. Pretty sure Makeup by Ariel. I do that because I don't know his last name. His name's Ariel. I don't know his last name. I'm pretty sure he did her makeup. Almost positive he probably used her products, but I don't own any of her products, so I'm just using what I have. Chin, because Kylie doesn't have a double chin. I'm not trying to look like Kylie. That ship has sailed. I'm just trying to recreate her look. I will have everything linked in the description box below, by the way. For blush, it didn't look like she was wearing too much. I'm gonna use MAC's Warm Soul. Then I'm going to clean that up. For highlight, I'm going to use this Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in Sparkling Peach. I don't like that brush. I'm switching to my sponge. Just gives a much more natural finish. I mean, she didn't have an extreme amount of highlight on. Oh, I forgot to contour my nose. Apply it on my nose and then contour it after because I forgot. For lips, she has a really bright orange, it's like an orangey, I don't know, like an orangey reddish color. I'm gonna have to make something work because I only have these two products right here. I have the new Dose of Colors, oh, it's in here. I have the new Dose of Colors lip liners, and two of these actually look pretty similar to what she's wearing. One is called Hot Ticket and the other is called Snappy. I think I'm gonna go with Hot Ticket. Let me try Snappy. Oh geez, this one looks really similar too. I think I should use Hot Ticket, but oh my god, they look really, really similar. I think I'm gonna try Hot Ticket first. I'm gonna use that because then I also have these ColourPop ones. what are these? The mini lippy sticks. These two colors right here are pretty similar too. Let me see this, how this looks first. That one looks more pink, so I'm gonna go over it with the snappy color. Yeah, this one's much better. I've actually never tried these lippy sticks. Are they just like lip liners or are they lipsticks? Well, actually, I'm gonna use this color, Trust Me. I believe she used her lipstick called Boss.